At Camfil APC, our research and development team empowers us to remain leaders in the dust, fume, and mist industry. We take pride in creating innovative products using cutting-edge research and industry-leading technology. This technology is equipped to verify our product's performance based on testing criteria set forth by the American National Standards Institute and the ASHRAE Association. What's in the lab? ASHRAE 52.2 testing duct. ASHRAE 199 test system. Scanning electron microscope. Microtrac tri-laser optical system. Mullen Burst testing device. While our lab uses these tools to engineer the highly tested products manufactured at Camfil APC, we also support our customers with dust analysis. Through a series of tests, our lab determines the correct filtration media and size collector to fit each customer's unique application. We examine the properties of the dust sample sent in by the customer and tailor the most cost-effective solution to meet the customer's needs. We then add the sample to our database as we constantly expand and evolve our knowledge. Our sample library has over 2,000 samples and reports, so we can draw from years of experience in making recommendations to our customers. At Camfil, we care about air quality and our customers' health and safety. We support this mission through our extensive product and dust testing, providing you with the most comprehensive solution for your application. For more information about Camfil APC and our lab capabilities, visit us at camfilapc.com.